Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video I'm going to show you how to make garland out of cotton balls and then color them with turmeric. So these are cotton balls. They are available in dollar store. So we need cotton balls. This is Rangoli powder. In other words, it is nothing but limestone powder. Or if you don't have that, you can still use rice flour, something coarse. This is turmeric and some water. So let us start. So I'm taking one cotton ball. So these are made into layers, so we can unfold them or unwind them. So they are like this. They are ready now. So I take this corner. So I just smear on my two fingers. Then go to the corner and pull a little bit and twist it. Then I go further a little bit. Then pull it. Now this part is thinner, right? So again I go here, do like this, twist it. This is considered as one. You can call it bulb or bead or whatever. So again I will do the same thing. So pull it a little bit. So it is thin now. So use your two fingers, thumb and the forefinger. Don't worry, initially it may not be of equal size, doesn't matter. So do that again. Three. So like this I'm going to make, here it is 1, 2, 3, like this I will make 21. We usually in India use this for worshipping, so we use the number 21, which is auspicious. You can make as many number as you want, so I'm going to show you making 21. So 3, 4. So here it is thinner, right? So what I can do, go back and put like this. It is 4. So do the same thing. 5. This is how it looks. For it to hold together, I'm going to make round things here. So for this, I will take another roll, cotton roll. So I will take some part, this much. So what I do is do like this. Take thin layers, arrange one above the other. So when it becomes a little thicker, have some powder and go on the core, on all around. You make it like a round ball, but it is flat because I'm holding with my finger. So that I do like this. This goes like this, like that. I'm going to make one more. This is the garland. So now we have to make it colorful by using water and turmeric. let us do the garland first, then this one. So what I do is Put my fingers, 2 fingers in water and take some turmeric, then go like this. You can put any color. I have chosen turmeric, which is auspicious in India for festivals, worshipping purposes. So I have come to the end. So you can keep as a single layer or double main spirit. You can do like this. So for the end to hold in an easier way, so we have these two. What I do is put in water, squeeze out some water, put turmeric on that, some water again. So this is ready. Same with the other one. Take some turmeric. This is the garland. So you can put on any photo or just for decoration purposes. You can put somewhere. So this is how it looks. Thanks for watching.